So let's take a look at this next question, and it says, both excess supply and excess demand are a result of which one of the following? Equilibrium, disequilibrium, overproduction, or elasticity. So we can think, we can think about this graphically in our head. This is not a question you need to draw out, but if you do draw it out in your head, it'll make a lot more sense. Okay. So let's start with excess supply. So excess supply is going to be a situation. We have demand here, we have supply here, something like this. We have this, what we call a surplus, where supply is greater than demand. And we can see that that's because we are not trading at the equilibrium point here. Let's take a look at the other scenario, which is excess demand. That's going to be somewhere here. And so we have this area here, and that's going to be our shortage. And again, that's because we're not at this equilibrium point where supply and demand are equal. So the correct answer here is going to be disequilibrium. Anytime you have a deficit or shortage, it is because the economy is for some reason not operating at equilibrium. We know that one example of that happening here is if you had a government policy like a price floor that is set at this level, or a government setting a price ceiling at this level, that's going to cause either excess supply or excess demand, depending on which policy it is. And that disequilibrium is going to cause they're going to have that shortage or surplus, aka excess supply or excess demand. Take a look at the answer choice provided. Disequilibrium, when a market deviates from its equilibrium, i.e. the point at which the quantity demanded is equal to the quantity supplied, a shortage or a surplus is created. When the market price is above the equilibrium price, quantity supplied exceeds the quantity demanded, leading to excess supply in the market, i.e. a surplus. That is true. When the market price is below the equilibrium, the quantity demanded exceeds the quantity supplied, leading to excess demand, i.e. a shortage. Yeah, great answer. Very great answer. Very succinct. And that's going to be correct.